I'm Vaughn Stewart, and I'd like to share with you the pervasive effect of NetApp storage reduction technologies in a VMware environment. Today, our data centers are in the midst of an evolution, the progress towards a cloud, dynamic, virtual data centers which share physical hardware resources. In order for us to have highly available virtual machines, we must migrate all of our data onto shared storage platforms. This is a change from the past, where our shared storage platforms were usually reserved for only the most demanding or most business-critical applications. NetApp is committed to helping our customers go further, faster, by being the only storage vendor focused on reducing the amount of storage consumption within a data center. Availability is the key with any virtual infrastructure, and availability begins with data protection. For customers who choose traditional storage array architectures, they must choose data protection plans that are either cost-effective, highly available, or cost-effective and highly available, yet poor performing. NetApp never forces you to choose. We provide RAID DP, and RAID DP is the best in class in terms of its cost, performance, and availability, and we believe it's ideal for virtual infrastructures. Moving from data protection, let's look at data deduplication. The production use of data deduplication may be the single most revolutionary technology in the storage realm in the last 20 years. Traditional storage arrays can provide shared data access, which is a requirement within a virtual infrastructure. However, unlike in the past, where shared storage infrastructures were reserved for only the most demanding or the most mission-critical applications, today's needs from the shared infrastructure is to store all of the data in your data center. And there's an interesting byproduct of storing all your data. There's a high level of redundancy within this data set. Today, NetApp has over 40,000 customers who have virtualized their storage arrays and enabled data deduplication for their production workload. The results are outstanding. Most customers' virtual server environments are able to reduce their footprint anywhere from 50 to 70%, and in some cases, even greater. The best part about this is that the data deduplication technology is transparent. It supports every storage protocol and every application served on top of it. NetApp engineering has now moved forward and applied data deduplication technology to the storage array cache. By eliminating the redundancies in the storage controller's cache, we are able to serve workloads greater than the physical amount of cache that we have. Both data deduplication and intelligent caching are available in Data on Tap, and the intelligent caching can be expanded in modular increments of either 256 or 512 gigabytes. One of the largest challenges facing virtual infrastructures today is the ability to back up. Customers need solutions which are simple, automated, and will scale as more of their servers move from physical to virtual platforms. To address this challenge, NetApp has released SnapManager for virtual infrastructure. With SnapManager, customers receive policy-driven integrated snapshot backups of their entire virtual infrastructure. In addition, NetApp provides support for snapshot-based backups of the industry's leading enterprise-class applications. Snapshot backups can also easily be replicated to an off-site location. Virtualization is changing everything, including the integration of disaster recovery with backup. To make this solution a reality requires a number of technologies, and it begins with data deduplication. By reducing your production footprint by 50% or more, we'll actually finance your off-site storage requirements. By replicating your backup data to an off-site storage array, NetApp is the only storage vendor that lets you take your off-site backup storage and also use it for DR purposes by enabling it with Site Recovery Manager from VMware. By combining off-site backup with DR, customers are able to reduce the number of remote storage arrays they need from 2 to 1, which is dual-purposed. By deduplicating your production footprint, customers also receive integrated WAN acceleration. This results in customers being able to replicate more data, thus simplifying more of their processes and protecting more of their systems in case of a disaster. Another significant storage reduction technology we have is zero-cost provisioning. Through our rapid cloning utility, we have enabled VMware administrators to create zero-cost clones. And unlike other cloning technologies, there are no limits. VMware administrators are able to instantly provision virtual servers, tens to thousands of virtual desktops, data stores, over any storage protocol, and this technology is available with any storage array. And finally, for data at rest, NetApp provides file system compression. This provides additional savings above and beyond what's already available with data deduplication. As I've demonstrated, NetApp is the only storage vendor focused on reducing your total storage footprint. Multiple technologies make this a reality. Whether it's data deduplication, snapshot backups, RAID DP, or the ability to use your offsite backup copy for DR purposes with Site Recovery Manager, NetApp wants to reduce your total storage footprint by 50% or more. All the technologies I've covered are available with any storage array powered by Data on Tap. This is Vaughn Stewart, and remember, virtualization changes everything.